Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Setu Glutathione tablets. To begin, understand that these tablets are designed to support your overall wellness. For most adults, the recommended dosage is 1 tablet per day. For optimal absorption, it is generally best to take your tablet on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning. To maximize the benefits, simply swallow your Setu Glutathione tablet whole with a glass of water. Some find that taking it alongside a vitamin C supplement can enhance its absorption and effectiveness. Remember, consistency is truly key. Try to take your tablet at the same time each day to establish a routine. Before incorporating Setu Glutathione into your routine, it is always wise to consult with your healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions. Please do not exceed the suggested daily dosage to ensure your safety. Also, remember to store your tablets in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. When using Setu Glutathione, it is important to understand that individual results can vary. While some may notice changes relatively quickly, for others, benefits may unfold more gradually over several weeks or months. Patience is truly essential. For the best outcomes, always combine your supplement use with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.